Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the third video regarding hospital accounting by use of Tally ERP software. So in the previous video, we were just posting the entry about the paying of prepaid rent. We posted a check, a bank payment voucher amounting to 50,000, which we paid by giving a check of the same date, and then we were left with the another check that we have given to the it is amounting to 40,000, but it is a post-dated check. So we will go into the transactions, we will go to vouchers. Then here it is also a payment voucher, so you will press F5 for payment voucher. Our payment voucher interface is opened. We are paying by check, so it means it is by bank, as every bank account. Remember the amount we deposited into the bank already. And then here it is going to be the prepaid rent, which will get a debit. The prepaid rent, the account I already created in the relevant head. The prepaid rent amounting to 50,000. But in this case here, we are giving a post-dated check. We cannot enter into the in accounting system before the date of check, on the date in which check can be encashed or transferred. So here in Tally ERP, it is giving us a facility to post the post-dated checks. So here in the right side, you can see above my head here. Here is the option for post-dated. You can see, you can click this post-dated option, and you will see this post-dated into the center of screen into your voucher. It is written status post-dated. So this check will expire on, and you can select the date by clicking F2, and here you will select date 31/1/2021, the date which is on the check. So this voucher you have created and it is saved, but this will not reflect into your business statements, accounting statements, till this date will come. So basically you can save this voucher into the system. Check details you can input here. Okay, post-dated issue date is, it is going to be issued today, so 1/1/2021. Okay, date post-dated check. Here we will save the narration. Control A, we will save the voucher. So voucher is saved. Now we will go to our Excel sheet again, and we will see the transaction number 13. It is consultation fees 95,000. So basically this consultation fees is the revenue which is coming into the business, into the hospital. So this time we are dealing with cash receipt voucher. So consultation fees is 95,000. We'll go into our Tally ERP system. We will see F6. We will reach in the interface of receipt voucher. Here the account which is going to be debited is cash. We are receiving cash on account of consultation fees. So here we are going to enter the consultation fees. The consultation fees account I already created under the relevant head. So I will enter here, and it's amounting to 95,000 is the consultation fees. Okay. Narration received consultation fee. Control A. The voucher is saved. We will go again to our Excel sheet, and we will see here the visiting fees. And visiting fees we are receiving 150,000. So we 150,000. So we need to enter this again into our receipt voucher. receipt voucher. Yeah, we are already into the receipt voucher interface, and here we will add cash and the other account which will get a credit is visiting charges, and this is around 150,000 is the visiting fees. So 150,000 we will add here. Then we will add narration. We received visiting fee from the patients. After writing the narration, we can directly save voucher by pressing Ctrl A. So this voucher is saved. Now we will go back again to our Excel sheet and we will see what is our next transaction. Here again we are receiving some commission of 140,000. Our hospital business is now running very well and we are receiving the commission of 140,000 again as a receipt voucher. So we will go in our receipt voucher and here we are receiving cash, so we will enter cash and we are receiving commission amounting to 140,000. So we enter 140,000 here. In relation received commission in cash, Control A, this voucher is also saved. Now we will move towards our next transaction. It is the corona test kits purchased for cash. So here we are going to pay cash, paying out cash, so we need to deal with the cash payment voucher. I will go back to my Tally ERP system and I will press F5 because I need to go into the payment voucher interface. When I will click F5, it will lead me to payment voucher interface. I'm paying by cash, so I will select cash and then I'm purchasing corona test kits. Yeah, corona test kits. I already created this account before, so I will select this account and now amount of 1 lakh. I'm paying out 1 lakh 100,000 rupees. Narration paid for corona test kits purchase. Control A, I will save this entry and next I will go back into my Excel sheet. I will see corona test fee by bank. So some of my patients are paying me by bank, so they're paying 2 lakh rupees by bank. It's mean it is also the case, it will be also the receipt voucher. I need to go back into my Tally ERP system, then I will press F6 to come back to the interface of receipt voucher. Here they are paying me by bank, so I will have to select this account, bank account, FAB account, and for which I am receiving for corona test fees. Corona test fees account, ledger account is already created under the relevant head. So I will just need to enter here the amount of 2 lakh and then I will add some details of the check or the payment instrument. I will keep it blank for the moment. Received by bank corona test fee. I will press Ctrl A, the transaction will be saved. Then I will again need to go back to my Excel sheet. And then here we can see I am also receiving some part of cash, some part of amount into cash against the corona test fee. So again I need to go input another payment voucher, but this time not by bank, this time by cash. I'm receiving cash, so cash corona test kit fee. Here is the corona test fee kit, yes, amounting to 200.